The simple fact is that 70% of car batteries fail within 4 years. They just need to be replaced when they are no longer able to hold a full charge. Batteries are a big ticket item, and it's tempting to put off buying a new one as long as possible. But a battery that cannot hold a full charge requires the alternator to work even harder, causing it to wear out prematurely. Your service technician can test your battery to see if it should be replaced. Testing is a good idea because the battery might still be good, but died because of something like a bad alternator or even a worn serpentine belt and tensioner. And if your battery is close to failing, you'll know it before you get stranded. One thing you can do to extend the life of your battery is to keep it clean. A greasy, dirty battery holds in damaging heat. The same goes for removing corrosion from the terminals. Your service center can help maintain your battery. Allowing your battery to become completely drained, like from using your headlights when the engine is off, is actually very hard on your battery. Most automotive batteries can only take that abuse about 10 times before they're ruined. Make sure you have a full charge every month or so to extend your battery life. This can be done by either an extended drive at freeway speeds or using a battery charger. When it comes time to choose a new battery, there are lots of options that can be confusing. Your engine requires a certain amount of battery power to start and run. You should always replace your battery with one that meets your vehicle's specifications. Some motorists may require more from their battery life than the average vehicle owner. Do you live in an extremely cold climate? Do you do lots of towing, especially camp trailers that have batteries of their own that are recharged when towed? Or do you use a lot of in-vehicle electronics? Well, then you may need a battery upgrade. Talk with your service advisor if you have additional battery performance needs. You may also choose a battery with a stronger warranty as an upgrade. Your service advisor can help you with all of your battery needs.